Hey everybody, it's Paulo, Bitcoin Yoda. It has been quite a long time since I last made a video. A lot has been happening in my life lately because I have a new son. Well, not new anymore, he's 9 months old, so I've been very busy with that and of course the medical practice. So I wanted to talk to you about some things that I'm doing. Okay, right now I'm really focusing on only two things. One is learning how to trade Forex, foreign currency, because I firmly believe that if you're in control, you don't have to worry about programs going away and disappearing and people, all these online things where people join and then after 6 months it's gone. You don't have to worry about that stuff. Okay? So I'm learning how to trade Forex. I've been doing pretty well with it. And the second thing that I'm focusing on is a buddy of mine, Jeff, who you might know. He actually has been trading Forex for a while, and he is now becoming a fund manager. Okay, he's not guaranteeing any type of results, but his strategy is for wealth preservation, right? So he's taking conservative trades, but the results speak for themselves. And stay tuned and watch this video and watch my channel, because I will show you his progression week after week. Okay, the best thing about this is it's your own account. You know, like the other programs out there, like FX10 or Elite Earners Club that we were all in before. You'd have to send your money to somebody, and then they would trade on your behalf and all that stuff, and then they would just give you some of it. No, with this, it is in your own account. No one can access it. The only thing that Jeff has the ability to do is trade on your behalf, sort of like a mutual fund, right? But it's your own account. So with this, I just want to show you his track record. Okay, if you go to my FX book, and I'll send you the link so you can also watch. Here's what he has done so far. So he started live with this in July, and since then he's already earned 88% return on investment. Okay, so to put that into perspective, if you had $1,000 and you started in July 15, that $1,000 would now be worth $1,880 in just a couple of months, right? So the results that he's getting are really spectacular. I talk to him every day about how he's doing the trades, and you can actually see the trades. So let me start with the stats that he's getting. Okay, right now he's managing $118,000 of people that are investing, and he gave me permission to invite some people. It's limited space because he doesn't want it to get too big. But if you contact me, I will help you and secure you a spot so that you can also join in his trading program. So here's what he did just today, 4.5% this week, and it's been a short week because it's Labor Day here in the United States. So we've only been trading for 3 days or 4 days. So far, it's 15% this week. Since September 1st until now, September 7, 16%. But just since the beginning, which is July, he's done 89% already. Okay, and it's very transparent because you can actually see the trades that he is doing. Okay, that's all here. So it's all legitimate. It's not any type of Ponzi scheme or anything like that. You can actually see that these are legitimate trades, and I trade some of these things on my own as well. Okay, I'll put the link below so you can follow along and see his progression. Okay, and so if you want information about this, here's what I need you to do. First, I want you to email me. Email me at bitcoinyoda@gmail.com. He said that you have to have a decent amount in there to actually invest, so it's $500 US to invest. Okay, and when you email me, I want you to let me know if you want more information about FX Boomerang, which is his trading club that he's doing, or if you want to learn how to trade Forex on your own, or if you want to learn about both. Me, I like doing both because I let Jeff do a lot of the trading for me, but I'm also trading on my own. Okay. Now, with both, you're going to need to have at least $500 to invest. This is not for people that are trying to turn $1 into $200. You have to be a serious person, because with this, you're actually going to make quite a bit of money. Okay, let me just put it into perspective. I'll show you my own account. Okay, here's my account. That's me, Paulo Abalera. Here is one of my Boomerang accounts, my managed account. You can see it's managed by Jeff. He gets 20% of the profits, which is actually very fair. But I want to show you this, okay? I started on August 16th, about a month into the program, and he's been telling me join, but I've just been so busy. But since August 16, I started off with $1,950. It's already, as of today, $2,500. So if we were to do the math, he's already got me 2458.45 divided by 1950. That's what I started off with. That's 26% return on investment in about 2.5 weeks. Okay, very, very good. And I was talking to him, and he was saying that it's probably going to be even better this month and the next coming months, because the fall and the winter are the good trading months. And so I'm excited. So I figured that every day he's probably getting, at 89% year to date. Last month he did about 65%. That's just the month of August. So I figure, with about 22 trading days in any given month, what is he getting on his daily? I mean, today he did 4.5%. I don't know if every day would be 4.5%, but let's say at 60%, if he gets 60% again this month, divided by 22 days, that's about 2.7% daily. Now remember, if you're leaving your the profit in your own trading account, again, this is your own account. He doesn't have access to your money. It's your own money. It's there. It's yours. You can withdraw it at any time. All he has access to is trading on your behalf, and you can leave the program at any time if you'd like. But if he's getting 2.5% or 2.7% every day, and your profit is just sitting there, it's compounding, which means that that amount is growing and growing. So let's put that into perspective. Let's say you started off with $2,000 to invest, and conservatively he's getting 2.7%. Realistically, guys, it's probably going to be closer to 4, maybe even 5% a day, 5 days a week. So the markets are only open Monday through Friday, so we're not including weekends. And it's fully compounding, so 100% compound, daily reinvest. Let's just see what this looks like, okay? If you joined today and started trading with me and Jeff, you would turn $2,000 into, let's say, by the end of the year. So December 31st, your $2,000 would turn into about $17,000, because it's growing exponentially. It's compounding. Now, let's just say you wanted to actually turn this into an income stream for you. Maybe you don't want to quit your job or whatever you're doing, but maybe you just want some supplemental income. Well, by the end of the year, you would have $455 earned just on December 29. By January 1st, you would have earned $467. On January 2, you would have earned $479. So think about it. If you didn't want to leave the money there anymore, and you wanted to start cashing out and using it for, whatever it is that you would like to use it for as an income now, you can actually pay yourself $400-something by January, or almost $500 by January if you started with $2,000. Okay? Now, let's be ultra conservative. Let's say you only wanted to start off with $500. Well, guys, I always talk about this website, compounddaily.com, and you can play around with the numbers here. $500 invested at the same rate, with Jeff, would yield this type of result. So from now until the end of the year, you could turn that into $4,000. And you'd be paying yourself $100, $113 by the end of the year, every day, Of course, if you start paying yourself, you're no longer adding to the principal, so it's no longer growing, but you're paying yourself every day. So you could play around with it. But my point is, guys, this is not like anything else. This is not a passive program where, you're risking losing the money because the person runs away with it. Well, Jeff does not have access to your account. He only has the ability to trade on your behalf. The account is yours. It's under your own name. You're not sending money to anybody. You're just sending it to your own account. Okay? So JFX is the broker that we use. There's other brokers out there, but for this program, JFX is the brokerage that he uses because it links seamlessly to my FX book. Okay? Again, I'll put the links down below. There's no referral link or join link or anything like that. I'm strictly putting the link of how you can track his progress, and then also compound daily, so you can calculate your own numbers if you'd like. But if you want to work with us, and guys, I'm only going to work with serious people because I really do not have a lot of time. Email me. Email me at bitcoinyoda@gmail.com. But you have to have at least this much to invest and get started. Okay? Let me know if you want to join Jeff's program, FX Boomerang, or if you want to learn how to trade also, or do both. So that's this video. Continue to watch the videos. I'll probably do it maybe once a week, maybe even once every 2 weeks. And I'll just be giving you guys updates on both Boomerang and my own trades, so you can actually see firsthand exactly how much money this is turning into. Okay? All right, so that's it. Email me if you have any questions. Have a good day.